Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video on how to use your HD60 Pro on one monitor, because I know, at least for me, that when I first set it up, that it was saying that I had two monitors when I only have one. So I'm going to show that issue that's happening. So this is my main screen. You see here, you can see the Elgato software, and I have my Modern Warfare set up on a supposed second screen, which, like I said, I do not have. So see, let me go over to this. Hold on, literally. Oh wait, oh, there you go. Like, you see, it's moving over to the screen, right? So see how to fix this problem. So all you want to do is you go to your display settings by right-clicking on your main screen. You can go down here, extend these displays, and you put duplicate these displays. That's all you have to do. That's it. Nice and simple. And I'm gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe if you want. Totally up to you. Don't mind. I don't really plan to be uploading videos on this channel. Anyway, peace.